It's a good one. They come in here to check on this water, the water leak. It's the unit below. Somebody already, that bucket's been there probably 5-10 years. That's hilarious. The bucket sprung a leak. Check it out. There's a hole in the bucket. That's funny. This is how not to do solder. You know, that. Man, that's a whole row of solder on that thing. Let's check this out and see if we can figure out where the leak's at. So, this is a new tenant, just moved in. So, I ran that water. There's no leak on the other side. So, I look around to see if there's anything wrong with the tub. No cracks, no nothing. So, the next thing, there's no shower liner. He had this outside the tub. But there's the problem. Can't make stupid, man.